it's a soy sauce maker, right? 1.3 billion was the amount raised. Now, as far as this, and kudos to our producers for coming up with this headline. What's this Yvonne's headline? Saucy valuation coming through here. So when you look at the multiple on the stock here, so we're comparing this to, you have Moutai, apples to apples, if you want to talk about condiments that it takes you into. Do we have the other one coming up, please, if we can? I think it's Heinz, I think we're comparing this to. In Japan, of course, there's the other one, which is Kikkoman. There we go. 21. So, yeah, I mean, there is a bit of a premium coming through here as well. But that being said, despite the premium coming through, yeah, Yvonne, this is a soy sauce maker, but there is some hot sauce coming through here as far as the first day of trading is concerned. Up 3% last we checked. Yvonne.
Yeah, I mean, it's not a household name, but then you take a look at how you compare it to some of the big household names out there. It's actually looking pretty expensive there right now. Let's talk a bit more about Foshan Haitian right now. Yeah, so we mentioned it's the biggest soy sauce maker in the mainland. The firm is planning to use those proceeds from the deal for product development, new technologies as well. More now with Manuel Baigorri, who leads our Asia-Pacific deals coverage. How's demand so far for this one?
Demand is, Yvonne, is really, really strong. And, you know, with all these proceeds, they're going to be able to develop a lot of new condiments, for sure. But I mean, I think what these tell us, you know, overall is that there is strong demand for Hong Kong IPOs, second listings, and equity capital markets transactions as a whole. I mean, we've seen a number of block trades, follow-on offerings, these second listings, which are kind of like the flavor of the month, so to speak, and then some IPOs as well. So definitely there is a lot more activity. When we look at our own data and we look at the past few years and just this first half of 2025, and it's just tremendous, right? The increase in activity, the proceeds being raised in capital markets are just phenomenal. It kind of starts to look back to the years, you know, the boom years, 2020, 2021. You remember when it was like super hectic here. So it's starting to look like that. And I think this is just the latest example. We saw with CATL a couple of months ago. We also saw with Henry, now Haitian, and there is more to come as well.
Well, what is the pipeline looking like?
The pipeline, David, is actually getting bigger and bigger for the remaining of the year. Some of these deals that we're starting to see may spill over into 2026, which is also quite encouraging, into next year. Obviously, there could be always some volatility shocks here and there. That's unavoidable. But I think the trajectory overall it goes in crescendo, and that's what investors want to see for sure. So the pipeline is looking good across sectors, and there is likelihood for more 1 billion plus IPOs of either second listings or even some IPOs.